Hi everyone, good morning. Today is December 14th and I have Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box number 14 to unbox with all of you. If you are new to our channel, this is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out every year for the last couple years. We did unbox or unbag in some cases day number 1 through 13 here on our channel if you want to go ahead and check those out. For now, let's go ahead and open box number 14. 14. This is a heavy one. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Quilt Builder card deck. So I have EQ8, so I'm guessing this is kind of like EQ8, but EQ8 obviously is digital online on my computer. But this is Missouri Star Quilt Company Special Edition, 40 blocks, 8 layouts, endless possibilities, includes everyday and Christmas blocks, so that's fun. There's 50 4" by 4" two-sided cards. I'll show that to you guys again. So there's some candles down here, hearts, really cute blocks. Okay, let's see what it says on the back. Okay, it says mix and match blocks to create your masterpiece. Quilt block on the front and cutting information is on the back. Very cool. All right. I don't know if I'll use this just because EQ8 has like thousands of quilt blocks. Although the cutting instructions are on here, and EQ8 doesn't do as good of a job as having the cutting instructions on there. Sometimes you have to do your own math, but you can do quilt layouts and everything like that as well. So here's a little plug for EQ8. Definitely not an affiliate or anything, but it's really valuable if you like to create your own quilts. So yeah, this is a really cool gift. Let me know what you think down below of this one. And today's question of the day is, what is your favorite kind of thread? What thread do you use to do all of your sewing and crafting projects? For me personally, I love Gutermann. I will never switch, I don't think, from Gutermann cotton thread for piecing and for sewing. And then I also use glide thread for my long arm. It has a really beautiful sheen to it. It is a polyester. It's really strong. It just quilts beautifully. It doesn't leave a lot of residue, like lint buildup, which I really like. And then I will say I do use Coats and Clark for my serger and my overlock, or my cover stitch as well. So I use the Gutermann, the Coats and Clark for the cover stitch, and I can't even think right now, serger, and then I use the glide for my long arm. So those are the three kinds of threads that I use and kind of what I use those for. Hand sewing would also be like Gutermann as well. So let me know down below what your favorite thread is, or maybe use a couple different threads that are kind of your go-to, and I'd love to know. And I will see you tomorrow for day number 15 of our Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Bye everyone.